Why does your scanner show the P1461 engine code? What does it mean? P1461 is a diagnostic trouble code for air conditioning pressure sensor AC, P sensor high voltage detected. This error code indicates your vehicle's make. It can also refer to an issue with the heated catalyst gate, a faulty EGR valve drift, or a general auxiliary emission control malfunction. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty A or C pressure sensor. Damaged wiring. Loose or disconnected connectors. EGR system malfunctions. Bad ground connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, BMW, Peugeot, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.